Welcome to my kitchen. If today is the first time you are coming across my video, thank you for clicking on it. Please, we do easy cooking recipes here, and if you're interested, do not hesitate to subscribe for more videos. We are on all social media platforms at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. I'll be very happy if you follow me there as well. Thank you so much. So without wasting much of your time, let's get started. In a bowl, I have a quarter cup of sugar. Okay, I don't know why I'm using white sugar. It has been a very long time I did that, but I actually bought it because of pain cancer. Now I have with me here my butter. Okay, I'm using plant-based. You can use any of your choice. You can use margarine. You are good to go. In case your butter is very hard, you cut them into pieces. You use your spoon to do it, mash it like how you're seeing on the screen. Okay, to help you finish everything on time. You can use your electric mixer or whisk. I have it, but I decided to do it this way so that it will help everyone. Not everyone has that. Okay, you make sure you mix it very well so the sugar dissolves before you continue. When you are done with that, we are going to add our egg, okay, to it. We added just one, so we are going to add it one after the other. Okay, yes, and in all we are using 4 eggs. Make sure you mix it very well. When you get to this point and you see your butter like this, please, you are the right part. There's nothing wrong with it. Okay, mostly when the butter is not plant-based, they become very hard when you put it in the fridge. So before you start making the cake, you can just bring it out for some few minutes to become soft before you start making the cake, so that you won't stress yourself. Okay, no one likes stress. Yes, now I've added 2 cups of flour, but I did not add all at once. I am just going to add it bit by bit, and the flour contains a tablespoon of baking powder, then a teaspoon of baking soda, okay, a pinch of salt, but I will be adding it to the ingredients bit by bit. I mean the wet ingredients we mixed earlier, bit by bit. Whilst I do that, I add my milk to it bit by bit. In all, we are going to use just a cup of milk. I'm using soy milk. Okay, so that is what we are doing right now. I think this is the last batch we've added, and we are just going to add our vanilla, mix it very well, then you are good to go. You don't have to be mixing your ingredients anyhow, like too much, else after you are done with the cake will become like banku. It will not be fluffy, it will be some wavy, like banku pepe. So please do not over mix it with your electric whisk. Okay, yes, else it will be like a swallow. That is just by the way. I love walnuts, so I'm just going to add that to it. That is the only way I can enjoy cake. I don't like it, but if you add walnuts, I will be able to eat it or enjoy. Okay, so my walnuts were whole, so I decided to break them and then add it to the mixture we have. Mix it very well, pour it in your baking pan, and then we are going to bake this. Have you subscribed? Please, if you haven't, do so for me. It is free. Okay, have you followed? If you haven't, please do so for me. If you want short videos, please follow me on TikTok and Instagram at Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes. We bake this for 35 to 40 minutes at 350 degrees. Please, I'll be very happy you study your oven so that you get the perfect outcome. Okay, when the cake is ready, this is how you are going to know whether it is ready or not. You just put some kebab stick or your toothpick inside. If it comes out clean, it means it is ready. Not when you remove it from the oven. Okay, you place that whilst the cake is in the oven. Okay, now just look at that, very fluffy. It doesn't look like banku. Do you get it? Thank you so much for watching. I love you.